Wala. Walang ligtas. They're so freaking weird. You're like, eh!
I don't think I want to go past it. He was pajamas. I would punch them in the face.
Sabi ko yung bulit kay ate kanina, inaano si Jacob.
Ikaw ang basa. Magbasa kayo na sa baba, may timba doon, may